Hey guys, Matt Jones here. I'm going to show you how to create a viral meme on Facebook that is optimized for Facebook using Photoshop. I currently use Photoshop CS5 and I'm going to show you how to create this meme right now. It should take about 5 minutes. So the first thing you do is go to File, Open and select your picture. So we'll go to Libraries, go to some submissions, one sec. So I created a meme today that's got some pretty good virality out of it because it's quite humorous. I'm just going to find that image now. It's one with these dogs that have false teeth in their mouths, and I'm going to create a viral meme out of this. So it's a pretty funny image, as you can see. So what I'm going to do first is go to Image at the top of the screen, go to Image Size. Usually the image size of these photos that people submit to your page, which you'll find that a lot of people do with a particular niche you're in, they'll submit a lot of photos of themselves or their pet or whatever that's related to your niche and upload it to your fan page. You can actually use these images and create your own content out of them, which is fantastic. So it's a self-regulating page. I haven't used royalty-free images since I began my Facebook fan page, so since the very first day actually, because I actually got photo submissions from the very first day, so it's fantastic. So the optimal width of the Facebook news feed and the dimensions of the news feed is 500 pixels by 500 pixels. So I'm actually going to make this one a bit smaller. Now these photos usually come in a bit bigger than this, so it says 508 pixels, but usually a couple of thousand. I'm going to take that down to 450. This needs to be linked right here, and this has to be pixels has to be selected. So the height's going to be 266 by 450 pixels, and I'll shrink that. Next thing I do is create the background to be black. I want to do that right here by selecting that little arrows there. Go back to image, go to canvas size, and change that to pixels, and take relative off, leave that unticked. Do 500 by 500 pixels, and that should create your good background. Now that's the optimal width and size for maximum exposure on Facebook. When it comes up in a news feed, that's going to be perfect. The maximum size for Facebook, whether on mobile devices or on Facebook on the computer. So that's fantastic. So that's what we want. So select the text tool and create a text box. Right, and click this little A here. You want to select impact. This is already optimized for my meme I did earlier. So impact and the various font size you want. So 30 should be pretty good. So I'm just going to write a couple of things here. Make sure it's white as the color. Introducing Buck, Chester, and Cletus. That's actually a bit small, so I'm going to highlight that text and make that bigger. That looks pretty good now, so I'll deselect that and just center it a little bit. And now I'll create down the bottom. There's usually two sections of text for a meme. At the top with the attention grabbing headline and the kicker at the bottom. So let's go right. So I've got introducing Buck, Chester, and Cletus. The 3 pedigree Rhodesian Ridgebacks from the deep south. I just want to make that a capital D. Obviously that's too big, it's cropped off the page there, so I'll just hit Control A to select all the text, then change that to about 30. That's perfect. So I'll just reposition that. And that's it, there's your meme. Now that's perfectly optimized for Facebook, so all of the image will be totally visible on the news feed. There won't be anything cropped out. That total image will be there, so that's fantastic. So I'll just click File, Save As. Select JPEG, JPG, and yep, that one right there, and just save that as your meme, and that's it, done.